Tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy wrapped Bitcoin, ticker symbol WBTC, on Kraken. So once Kraken's opened up, I want you to go down to the bottom and press on the Explore icon. Then just go to the top, press on the search bar, and type in WBTC. At the top it says wrapped Bitcoin. Go ahead and press on that. Once you're here, go to the bottom, press on buy wrapped Bitcoin. It actually says right now the asset isn't available. So if the asset was available, you go ahead and press on buy. So for example, I'll just go to another one right here. I'll just go to regular Bitcoin. You go to the bottom, press on buy. You go to the next place, type in the amount. So in this case, $20 or whatever the amount may be. Press continue by going to the purple button. And then you can go ahead this way, check all the stuff, the amount, the price, the fees, the totals, etc. Go to the bottom, press on confirm, and then proceed that way. So once again, go back to the search button right here, wrapped Bitcoins right here, and then proceed that way. Very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy wrapped Bitcoin on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.